The one thing about Fesenjoon is the look of it. It looks dark, and many people resent it. But I had a lot of American friends, foreigners, who just dare to taste it, and they ask for it all the time. I had a party. I do it every year for my Hadassah American ladies, about 50 ladies, and they want Middle Eastern food. The first year I was so worried. Now I am not. It's the one they all ask for is Fesenjoon. And they want the recipe, and they want me to tell them where to get the pomegranate and this and that. Now we start with our Fesenjoon. We cut one onion, and after that we add the chicken. Cornish game hen works very well. The onion goes in the pot. We add half of a Cornish game hen, which is plenty for two people. And this one we add the salt from the beginning. With chicken it doesn't matter that much. And then we add the pepper. And after that we have to grind the walnut. I have 1 cup of walnut. This stuff is noisy, don't be scared. But it's quick, very quick, it does the job very easily. I tell you, these days, back home, I remember we didn't have even gas. We had a kind of pot made with very heavy copper, and we used to beat we used to crush the walnuts in that pot with something heavy. It was, I tell you. Okay, now I have my walnut grounded, very fine, yeah, and then it goes in the pot. Okay, that's done. Now we saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. So we had our the onion, the chicken, the walnut, and now we'll add the water. This is my measurement, is 3 cups almost. All right, this is done. We cover it and leave it to cook. And later we will add the pomegranate sauce, and that's about it. Of course, when you cook those, when you have something cooking, it doesn't go an hour, or you have to check from time to time, because sometimes you need to add some water and all. When you cook, you have to check on it. You just can't leave it. I say, okay, I'll check in an hour or 45 minutes or what. Now I have to, my chicken is almost ready. So I have to add about, shall I measure it in a cup? About, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of pomegranate sauce. It needs about another 15 minutes to boil. Okay, now I'll show you the of the Fesenjoon. Now you have to put it off, leave it to cool off. So we take off all the extra oil, and then we taste it for maybe some sugar it needs, maybe some salt. It depends from the sauce we used, from a pomegranate sauce. Look at it, you already can see the oil from the walnut. I tell you, it's very tasty, but we prefer to take it off. Once it gets colder, all the oil comes on top. Just take off with a spoon, take off, and our Fesenjoon is ready. Fine. And now the very last thing, I have to taste it for salt or sugar or what. I think it needs a little bit of salt. And then it says eat me. This one, you can eat it with, usually we eat it with rice, but you can eat it with bread if you want, just like that. See how it goes. We just enjoy it, that's all.